Yo, what's good, Hidden Vault? It's your boy, Jeffrey the Artist, coming at you again for another installment of Hidden Vault Academy. Right now, we're going to be learning how to set up your MetaTrader app for your desktop and your Mac computer. All right. So with that being said, what is MetaTrader? MetaTrader is a software that allows you to place trades with your broker electronically from anywhere that you are. That's right. In the comfort of your own home, you'd be trading and multiplying your money. All right. So in order to do that, you're going to have to download the MetaTrader 4 application. You can go to tradersway.com/trading platforms to get this. Okay. MetaTrader 4 for the Windows, all you have to do is click on it. To get the Mac version, you scroll down to the bottom of this page. It's on the bottom right, okay, on tradersway.com/trading_platforms on the bottom right of this page. Matter of fact, we're going to go ahead and put a link on this page so you don't even have to look for it, all right? So once you download your MetaTrader 4, you are going to have to add your broker account, okay? So you type in your broker name, whether you're with Hugo's Way or XM or Owanda or Forex.com or Fair Forex or Osprey or Eagle, whatever your broker name, this is where you type it in this box that I have highlighted, okay? And then you scan for it, and then it'll bring it up. And whether your account's a live or a demo, and of course, if you're watching this, you should definitely be trading on a demo. So go ahead and get yourself a demo account today, all right? Once you have your demo account and your trader password, you know, mine came in an email. Sometimes you can set your demo account up right within MetaTrader. You insert your trading information, your account information. You go to File, log into account, or Open New Account, and you have your login information. You type it in, log in, and your password. As soon as you log in, this is what your screen is going to look like. You need to go ahead and add the symbols, the different currency pairs that you're watching on the left, right? What I have highlighted, you hit Control M or Apple M on a Mac in order to bring this up. And you can add different currency pairs. If you scroll to the bottom, you don't see yours, there's a little plus button, and it'll bring up all the Forex, major, minor, crosses, exotics, cryptos, indices, commodities, metals, everything that you can possibly want to trade. All right. From there, you want to add your indicators. And right below that, it's the navigator, the navigator menu, and you see indicators right there. You would hit the plus button and add your different oscillators, your trends, your EMA, your stochastic, MACD, whatever oscillators you have, your Bollinger Bands, all that, the whole 9 yards. All right, that's how you add them. You would click and then drag them to your chart, your desired chart window. At the bottom of the screen where you see highlighted, this is how you switch between different tabs. If one of these windows was maximized, like if you put the box and this was big, you know, you could switch between different currency pairs that you're trading by clicking on the desired currency pair or commodity or metal or cryptocurrency, whatever it is you're trading. Okay, to change the color or style of your candlestick of your chart, you go right click and hit properties. You can change the color, you can change it to a candlestick, you can change it to a bar chart, you can change it to a line chart, change the background color, do pretty much anything that you need to do to customize your chart to make it make sense to you. Okay, at the top, this is how you change the time frame. M1 minute time frame, M5 5 minute, M15 15 minute, M30 M30 is 30 minute, H1 is 1 hour, H4 4 hour, D1 daily, weekly, W1 is weekly, MN is monthly. Okay. On the right, these are your different chart drawing tools. Okay. This little arrow here is for measuring movements. You click and drag and it would literally measure a move. Like if you're trying to count the number of pips, this vertical line tool, I like to place it and use it for spans between days. This horizontal line tool, I use it to mark my support and resistance levels, my key levels. The trend line tool, I use it to watch for my break and retest or measure divergence. This is your Elliott wave tool, which is some advanced stuff. Fibonacci, it's advanced. We're not going to get into that here. these little A's, these letters, these are for taking notes on your chart. Like if you wanted to say this is a support level or this level I'm looking for a trade, you could use these little letter tools to make notes on your actual chart window. Okay, so I opened a trade here just to show you how to open a trade. I click this button over here, this left button that says sell. This is one click trading. Okay, and if the market's in a downtrend, you usually click sell. If the market's in an uptrend, you're looking for buys. All right, it's a little bit more intense than that. You know, you have to look at your entry point, but of course that's more advanced stuff. But once you have your trade open, all right, you can right click your trade to close it. You can modify or delete it to add your stop loss or your take profit, and you can do something cool called a trailing stop, which once your trade goes into profit, you can make your stop loss automatically trail your profit to go ahead and collect profits for you automatically. Okay, it's a great feature. Inexpensive is going to be going over that later on in this academy. All right, so once you have your trade placed, as you can see, I place my stop loss and my take profit. You can either do that by modifying on the chart with a right click and modify your trade, or double click down here and open up your trade where it says stop loss and take profit. Or you can drag from your entry. So click and drag down for your take profit and a sell, or click and drag up for your stop loss and a sell. And if this was a buy that we were in right now, I would click and drag up for a take profit, or click and drag down for my stop loss. Okay. So as you can see, the trade is running in profit right now. The demo trade that I opened for this, for demonstration purposes, I would click this little X right beside it if I wanted to just close that trade and take my profit. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. I closed my trade. I took the profit. Bitcoin moves pretty fast, so it already had gone up to $3.16 by the time I closed that trade from that $1.40 before. Okay, so if you want to see your trade history, what you do is click the history button, and you can see all the trades that you've opened or closed, and whether, if it's a blue, that means you profited that much. If it's red, that means you lost that much, you gained a lesson. All right, and again, on the top left, this is how you do one-click trading. So I made a trade by clicking first the little blue and red button that was above it to bring down this menu. You click on one of these, and you have to confirm that you want to enable one-click trading, and then you change your lot size up here. 0.01 is the smallest lot size that you can do, and then we call the 1.0 them Rubens. All right, Ruben lot size. That's what you trade in when you're really trying to make some big bucks. All right. So with that being said, this is the end of the MetaTrader beginner setup, and you're here. You watch to the end. All you have to do is keep doing this for every video that's on here. Show up to the training sessions. If you're not profitable and you're not showing up, don't question why. You already know the reason. All right, so stay dedicated, stay focused, and be patient with yourself. Forex is another language. All right, so be easy on yourself and be patient. Let's get it, Wolfpack.